at a dentist in the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. All my friends are turning green. Yeah, the magician's assistant in their dream.
Hey guys, it's Grace. I have a service dog trained named Nike, and today is a new video that I decided to start, and I'm just starting it because this is gonna be a series where it's gonna be my travel series. So I am going to be going on a trip with Nike in couple days, so yeah, and this video is going to be the packing video where I'm going to practice packing and getting his outfit for the day of. So yeah, I'm just gonna get everything I want to pack in one pile, and that's about it. Before I get right into this video, I would not use me as a guide. These are just the things I think he might need, so I'm getting all of them together. It's like a week prior to the day that we're actually going to port, because we're going on the flight, because we're flying to a place to go on a cruise, so it's going to be our cruise adventure. But I'm no way, shape, or form a professional on this. I don't know exactly what to bring for my dog, but this is pretty much everything that I will need, that I think I might need. So yeah, this is the never before used bag that I'm going to use, because I don't think we're doing carry-ons, but we're doing something that allows us to have a bag, so I can just carry a bag. This is pretty much the bag that I'm going to use to put all of Nike's stuff in. So I guess we're going to do like a bag check or something. So I'm going to put his food, his bone, all in there, his clothes, his mat. I might not put his mat in there. I think I'm just going to carry that. Other than that, this is the bag that will not open that we're going to use. Grace can open up bags. I can totally open up bags. Look at this balloon. I told you it was never used before, so that's fan-freaking-tastic. I'm going to get his food first. I'm going to show you the food that we're using. Get that first so that it kind of like weighs down everything, so he's not going to eat on there. So yeah. This is our Walmart bag filled with stuff for the trip. Not everything, but this is the food, natural bites that we're using. I should get this inside the bag. This food is, it should say how much it is. Like 3 pounds. Yeah, it's 3 to 12 pounds. Or is that the weight range? I don't know. It's something, okay? So, alright, let's just get in the bag. Jesus, that takes up a bunch of space. God. And then I'm gonna get some treats as well, because this is a new area, so I gotta get some treats. Put those in there. No, this is not for you. Adidas is right here. This is not for you, not yet. Not at all, because you're not going on the trip. Sorry, baby. And then, what we also got in this magical Walmart bag is an antler for the airplane. Because I heard that it's a really good thing to have. You always have your antler. for your dog. So I'm gonna put that in the front pocket with more tissue paper. It's great. And yeah. Now I'm also gonna put his gear in here. I'm going to take two things. His leash, which is what I'm gonna be wearing, and I also want to take a traffic lead. So that's the things I'm going to have as like a way to just go around, get around places. And I wonder if I should bring some patches. I don't think so. I'm also gonna get some toys, which I have some toys down here. Just for him to play with, and have. So I'm gonna get those. So I have two toys. We like to play, so this one's a bit deflated, but that's okay. It can be used as like just a little tug of war rope, and then this tuffy thing, which he doesn't really like. Both my dogs really like it, which that's making me debate if I should actually bring it or not. So yeah. I'm also gonna bring a bandana because we love our bandanas. This is one I got off of Etsy. Super duper cute. So I'm gonna bring it to our trip. I got that in there. And then let me get our toys in there. I think I'm just gonna bring one toy. I think one toy will do. I'm not gonna bring this one because they never play with it, like I said. They never have an effort to get it out. I might bring a squeaky ball because they love those things. That's like one of his favorite is like a squeaky toy, so I might take one of those. And then I gotta get some collapsible bowls. I've seen like a collapsible water and food bowl, which might actually work. I want to get one of those, but I have to ask my mom. So that might be fun. Put that right there. So yeah, I'm really thinking about what else I need to. Oh, his brush and his grooming stuff. I brush Nike. I try to brush Nike almost every single night. So that's a big deal for me to actually bring his brush to keep that streak going. Of having that all set. Yeah. So I put the most important stuff in the front pocket, which is his antler and the treats. Those are my most important things right now to bring. And I'm trying to think. I see a rose toilet over there, which I might take. Trying to think what else I might bring. I have a full week to think about it, just letting y'all know. We leave, I don't even know when we leave, but my break starts Friday at 4 p.m. So, yeah, I have a good amount of time to think about it. Once I get home, I want to dye Nike's fur and dye my hair, like DIY dye for the trip. Just do that because I think it'd be fun. So we're gonna do that. And yeah. The vest he's gonna be wearing at the airport is going to have a vest without a D-ring on it. And it should just have plastic straps just to be extra cautious so that we won't beep the thing or whatever. And if we do, then we do. It's okay. I have not been to an airport since I was like 2. So I have only watched videos of what to expect with a service dog. Nike has never done this. This is gonna be a new thing for him. This is a crazy experience. And I don't know what to expect. Yep. So I packed food, I packed treats, I packed an antler, I packed toys, I packed grooming stuff, I packed vests and working supplies. So basic clothes, 7 things I've packed inside of this bag. And I think that is all that I'm really gonna need. So that's all the stuff that I have in there. I'm gonna get him a water bottle, get him a food bottle too, some collapsible bowls, just to give to him, and I think that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching. That is really all that I had for you guys. If this is helpful in any way, then wow, I am genuinely surprised because it's my first time ever doing this. So yeah, okay, bye. Also stay tuned for the travel experience.